Good evening, Sat Sri Akal, Adab, Namaskar. I, Vasant Kumar Sanapati, present here today with my YouTube channel EcoVid Idea of Economics, episode number 4. My dear students, parents, and all the guardians, I would like to convey this career counseling for class 12 science to have a choice for their future perspective. So, the class 12 students, science students, those who are passing in the session 2020 and 21, it is very, very important for them to know and have a choice of the courses and services for their future endeavor. So, let us have a glance on the courses which are available in India and abroad for class 12 science students. My dear students, there are three categories of subject groups, streams for class 12 students. So let us start with PCMB, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics and Biology. Those students had these specialized subjects. What are the career options and courses for them? Let us discuss one by one. Before starting to analyze all these options, let me tell you the most accepted, fabulous and intended courses and jobs in India for all the class 12 students, graduate and postgraduate students are: first, they think about MBBS, those who are science students with biology subject. They always have a first choice MBBS. Then those students had mathematics in their curriculum. They make a choice of IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. Then almost all the students up to graduate and postgraduate level, they first prefer to have a choice to become an IS officer, the most prestigious and honorable administrative services in India. Then NDA and CDS are both the courses very popular in India. NDA means National Defense Academy after class 12 for all the streams, and CDS for graduate students from all the streams, science, commerce and humanities. Okay, let us go with options for class 12 science PCMB. First option is Bachelor of Pharmacy. Duration of this course is 4 years, which is popularly known as B Pharma. Then after completion of this course, B Pharma, you can go with MBA for 2 years, Master in Business Administration, or you can take admission in Master in Pharmacy, M Pharma. The duration of this course is 2 years. That means after completion of Bachelor of Pharmacy, you can go with M Pharma or MBA. The next option number 2 is BCA or BCS, Bachelor in Computer Application or Bachelor in Computer Science, which takes 3 years duration to complete. Then after passing from these courses or any one of the courses, you can take admission directly in MCA, Master in Computer Application. The duration of this MCA is 2 years. Then number 3, BAc or Bachelor in Architecture. The duration of this course is 2 years. After passing out from BAc, then you can take directly admission in MAc, Master in Archaeology. That is, the duration of this course is 2 years. Then option number 4, you can directly take admission in BSc, Bachelor in Science with Biotechnology. The duration of this course is 4 years. After passing out from BSc, you can go with MBA Master in Business Administration for 2 years, or you can opt MSc Biotechnology for 2 years. Okay, these are the career options for the students of class 12 science, those who had PCMB, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. So let us have a glance on the students, those who had PCM stream, physics, chemistry, and mathematics. What are the options, career options, and opportunities? Number one, they can sit for NDA after qualifying. They will be under training for 3 years in Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Air Force. The option number two, they can go with B ARC. The duration of this course is 5 years. And what you will learn under this diploma program, the diploma in interior or landscape design. Then option number three, that is Bachelor of Planning and Design. The duration of this course is 5 years. Then option number four, technical entry in Indian Army after getting select. Then you can go with this course of 3 years. It is entirely free under the Ministry of Defence, Government of India. Then after, you will be one of the regular officer in Indian Army. This is the technical entry in Indian Army. Then option number fifth, BE or BTech from Indian Institute of Technology. The duration of this course is 4 years. After passing out from BE or BTech from Indian Institute of Technologies, there are various options to opt with or to go with. First and foremost, after passing out from BE or BTech, IES exam you can sit for, or you will get a job after qualifying IES in Indian Railway or in any reputed public sector company. That may be Navaratna or Mini Ratnas. So then after, you can opt with Merchant Navy course. The duration is 1 year and you will become marine engineer after completion of this course. Henceforth, otherwise you can opt ME Master in Engineer. That is the course of 2 years. You will become one engineer or lecturer. Then, if not, then you can go with the option to sit in Staff Selection Commission exams or Union Public Service Commission exams to become one IAS officer, which is very honorable and prestigious service under Government of India. So after completion of that BE or BTech, you can sit for IAS exams. Then next, after B and BTech, India's defense direct entry in Indian Navy and Indian Air Force, not in Indian Army. Then another option, number 6, under BE and BTech, MS, Master in Science from Foreign University. The duration of this course is 2 years. Otherwise, you can opt MBA Master in Business Administration after BE and BTech. The duration of this MBA course is 2 years. Then, if you are not interested in MBA, then you can take admission in MTech after BE or BTech in IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. The duration of this course is 2 years. Otherwise, you can take admission in BSc with statistics to become one actuarist. The duration of this course is 3 years. Then number 6, after class 12 science with PCM, number 6 option, direct second year engineering diploma. The duration of this course is 2 years. Number 7th option, BCS, BCA, BSc with physics, Bachelor in Computer Science or Bachelor in Computer Application or Bachelor in Science with Physics. The duration of this course is 3 years. Under this BCS, BCA and BSc with physics, after passing out from this course, then you can take admission in MCA, Master in Computer Application. The duration of this course is 3 years. Otherwise, you can do MCS, MCM and MBA for 2 years duration. And last but not least, the option is 8th. Those who are 12th science with PCM students, they can join the course Hotel Management degree, and this degree varies from 3 years to 4 years. Hotel Management, I repeat, Hotel Management, it is a golden opportunity. Those who are interested in hotel lines, they can do this course Hotel Management, which varies 3 to 4 years duration to complete it. So let us come to the point. The students, those who have passed or are expecting to pass with PCB, Physics, Chemistry and Biology. So number one option is D, ED, Diploma in Education. The duration of this course is only 2 years. You will become one of the good teachers in Indian education system. Otherwise, option number 2, BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. The duration of this course is 4 years, 6 months. You can go with BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. Then after passing out from BAMS, then you can take admission in MD, Doctor of Medicine. Otherwise, option number 3 is there. BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathy Medicine and Surgery. You can opt to it. Otherwise, BUMS, Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery. Both the courses take 4 years and 6 months after class 12 science with PCB. Otherwise, you can take the option of number 4, that is BVSC, Bachelor of Veterinary Science. The duration of this course is 5 years. The next option is BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, which will take 5 years duration to complete this course. Then after passing from BDS, you can directly take admission in MDS, that is Doctor of Dental Surgery or Master of Dental Surgery, which will take 3 years duration to complete. Then number 6, MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery, which will take 4 years and 6 months. Under this, that means after passing out from MBBS, you can directly take admission in MD, Doctor of Medicine. The duration of this course is 3 years. And after passing from MD, then you can take admission in MS, that Master in Surgery, for 3 years duration. After MS, then you can take admission in Special Diploma in Medical Sciences. The duration of this course is 2 years. So this is up to option number 8. Those who are financially not sound and their parents are not capable to afford much money for all those courses, they can opt that paramedical courses. Paramedical courses which varies from 3 to 4 years and 6 months. 3 years to 4 years and 6 months. Then what are these courses? These are the diploma courses. For example, diploma in physiotherapy, diploma in optometry, diploma in cardiology, diploma in emergency and trauma, diploma in dialysis, and diploma in operation. Apart from all these diplomas, many other diplomas are there in paramedical sciences. You can go with any one of them. Then option number 8, BSc Nursing. The duration of this course is 3 to 4 years because the syllabus and curriculum according to the course varies. from specialist to specialist. So they are BSc nursing having different branches for which the duration of the courses are also varies 3 to 4 years. Number option 9, diploma in nursing 2 years. Then 10, BMLT, Bachelor of Medical Lab Technology. The duration of this course is 3 years. You can go with BMLT or BSc Home Science for 3 years. After +2 Science with PCB or 12 Science with PCB. Then if you are not interested up to option number 11, then you can opt option number 12. BSc with botany, zoology, microbiology, chemistry, etc., which will take the duration of 3 years to complete. Then after passing out from BSc, Bachelor in Science, you can directly take admission in Master in Science, MSc. The duration of this course is 2 years. And after Master in Science, there is a provision by the Government of India in accordance with the New Education Policy 2020, NEP 2020. Those who have passed MA, MSc or MCom, directly they can register in PhD program, doctorate in philosophy in their respective subject out of any stream. No need to complete MPhil program. Directly you can register and enroll your name in an PhD. The course duration is 2 years. Then if you are not interested, then you can opt MSc Biotechnology. The duration is 2 years. And after BSc, these are the courses after completion of BSc. The last option after completion of BSc is MTech, which will take the duration of only and only 1 year from biotechnology. This is the course MTech is associated with biotechnology after passing out from Bachelor in Science. So these are the career opportunities for all the class 12 science students. I have already discussed in the last episode, episode number 3, the career opportunities and courses for class 12 commerce pass out students. Today I discussed about class 12 science students, and in future, very soon, I will come with the future opportunities and courses for class 12 humanities, means arts, intermediate in arts. Now my friends, I always and ever trying to show you your future way to achieve your success in your future life. So if this video is helpful for you, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Just try to promote this type of video which are helpful for you in your community through social medias. In case of any doubts in your career counseling, please feel free to call me at my cell number. Please note down 9546489048. I repeat my cell number 9546489048. I wish all the students, parents, guardians, and all the citizens of my country to feel safe, be healthy, stay safe, stay fit, not for the time being, but for your lifetime. With this, I'd like to wind up this session, episode number 4. Thank you for being with me. Namaskar. Jai Hind.